Running late. Jack wants to let Davis know that he is running late.
Davis. Hi. So sorry, but I'm going to be late but dinner.
Oh, okay. What time do you think you'll get here?
By 7:00 at the latest, I think. There was an accident ahead of me on the highway.
Oh no, is it cleared?
It will be soon, I think. It looks like the police are finishing up now and traffic is moving slowly.
Sure, see you when you get here. No rush, I'll just have a glass of wine and wait.
Thanks for understanding. I appreciate it.
Okay. No worries.
Check your understanding through this video how you learned.
Question 1. What time was their dinner plan? Have you find out? The correct answer is 1, 2, 3. Their dinner meeting time was before 7 o'clock. Question 2. Who is going to be late? Have you find out? The correct answer is 1, 2, 3. Jack is going to be late. Question 3. What will Davis do while he waits? Have you find out? The correct answer is 1, 2, 3. He's going to have a glass of wine.